Everyone, this is Kanen from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Oracle Touch Espresso machine. It comes to us with quite few issues. So the machine was like the customer complained sounds, weird sounds when you turn it on. And when I tested, I found out like those O-rings was like gone. This is not all of them. I just like replace a lot of O-rings like this. But after that, while I was like estimating, I want to double check. Then I figure out these water level sensor probes was also leaking. The O-rings come on here, and there is like another. But those are I found them leaking from there, and the machine was like really full of minerals and scale inside the both boilers. So the machine get tuned up after all these O-rings get replaced and replace the water level sensor props, and it gets look at the probe head gasket and the shower screen, and it gets deep cleaning for the steam one. So let's go ahead and test it and make a espresso shot on it. That's good. It's tighter than before because of the newer gasket. Perfect. Look how it's like really perfect shot with thick crema. And the other one also same. So let's test the steam. Amazing. Itself and the hot water. Works perfect. So all the functions of this machine are like working perfect. Thank you for watching.